It's Raksha Bandhan next week. What should I gift my brother? Let's ask the expert, shall we? Look, I am no expert, but
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kajal Karmakar and on this platform I share everything I love with the people I care for. और आज का वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है because it is a Raksha Bandhan in 2 weeks and I know a lot of you guys are pondering upon कि क्या गिफ्ट किया जाए. Well, hold that thought and you don't need to ponder upon that anymore. And this video is not specifically for girls or boys. It is an universal video. ये gifts आप किसी को भी दे सकते हो. And I have emphasized more on the online gifting option because let's face it, there are so many brothers and sisters who cannot visit their siblings personally. So don't worry, I have got your back covered. In this video, we are going to talk about affordable gift options under 500 and I have done this in the past as well. So if you have not checked out those videos, tap here to watch the whole playlist. Now without blabbering much, let's dive right into the video. Number 1 is my favorite and that is steel water bottle. Now how many times have you seen it that somebody is using plastic bottles and you know how harmful it is for our health and our environment. So it's better to upgrade to steel or copper bottles. I could not find any good quality copper bottle under this budget, but if you are lucky enough, you can find that too. Down below, I have linked bottles from Cello and Milton. These are the brands we have grown up watching. और अगर आपको सिर्फ स्टील के बॉटल इतने नहीं भा रहे हैं, then I have linked down some insulated bottles as well, which means you can keep hot or cold beverages as it is for longer time. Second one is a 5-minute journal. Now, if you know someone who loves journaling or even writes diary on a daily basis, then this gift is for them. 5-minute journal में basically होता ये है कि हर एक दिन आपको एक fresh page मिलता है where you go and write 3 things that you are grateful about or 3 things that you need to improve in yourself and so on. भाई बहन को गिफ्ट करने के लिए वैसे तो ये अच्छा ऑप्शन है ही, इसके साथ साथ आप किसी को भी ये गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज इट इज समथिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प अ पर्सन इवॉल्व एंड फील ग्रेटफुल फॉर देयर लाइफ एंड वेन एवर दे आर राइटिंग इट डाउन दे आर गोना थिंक ऑफ यू. सो दैट इज आई थिंक द मोस्ट थॉटफुल गिफ्ट पॉसिबल. इसी के चलते मुझे एक और काफी इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नल मिला एंड दैट वाज Q&A a day 5-year जर्नल डायरी. सेम ही कॉन्सेप्ट है बट इट इज लाइक अ ह्यूज डायरी एंड इट इज सपोज टू लास्ट यू फॉर 5 years. मतलब 5 साल बाद आप जाकर देख सकते हैं कि 5 साल पहले आप एज अ पर्सन कैसे थे. इट लुक्स अमेजिंग अंडर अ बजट. सो इफ यू नो समवन हु लाइक्स writing down or writing journals or writing diaries, then this gift is a perfect one for them. Number 3 is again my favorite and that is candies. Now before making that pouting face, let me tell you why. When I talk about candy, I am meaning to those candies जिन्हें हम बचपन में अपने childhood days में खाते थे या enjoy करते थे. So if you are gifting someone those candies, you are actually refreshing them with their childhood thoughts and memories. So आप जिसे भी ये गिफ्ट करने वाले हैं, they are gonna feel very nostalgic and very much connected to their childhood version. Now there's a trick that I recently learned. Now a lot of people might call me a naive for not knowing this for so many years, but it is too good to not mention about it. Go to Google and type candy. Now go to shopping tab. Here you will find all the childhood candies you miss. You can also further filter it by prices high to low, and by selecting the same seller like Flipkart, you can create a hamper of nostalgic candies under a budget. You can literally customize it according to your budget. You can use this trick for further shopping to find out the object you are looking for, which website is selling it for the lowest price by using the low to high filter. How cool is that? Next is a grooming kit. We all love our siblings, but we hate it when they come out as a caveman, right? So you need to take care of that part. I have listed down some unisex, some grooming kit for males and females. You can definitely check them out, but at the end of the day, grooming kits under a budget are such a good gifting options because there are more than one things in the hamper. So the person who's receiving the gift is actually going to be very excited for each and every product. So it's not like just one gift, but there are so many gifts under one gift, if that makes sense. Number 5 is again a little cliche, but again the best. Perfume is something almost every person uses, and whether they like it or not, they are going to use it in the future just to empty that bottle. But don't you worry, I have listed a few of the amazing perfumes for brothers and sisters again, and I have mentioned one very affordable option as well. Okay, next is my favorite, and that is accessories gift hamper. So I have been following this Instagram page that is called Accessories by Tisha. I hope I am pronouncing that right. They do create a lot of goodies, hampers, and it looks so aesthetically pleasing. So if you are a brother watching this video and hunting for a gift for your sister under a budget, and you want to create an impact by supporting a small business, then this is your chance. I will link down their Instagram handle down in the description box below. Go and talk to them that what are the options available under the budget that you are looking for. Number 7, cliche but classic, chocolate hamper. Now, do I even need to elaborate this? I mean, we know how good chocolate as a gift option is. I have listed down below a gift hamper of chocolate, so don't forget to check that out. Number 8 is a sweets gift hamper. I mean, Indian festival sweets के बगैर complete ही नहीं होते हैं. So if you are sending someone some kind of gift online, then you should consider sweets as your gift option. Next is for all the health conscious and diet conscious people. So if your sibling is one of those, you can opt for healthy snacks. Now festivals are something जब हमें snacks, मिठाइयाँ खाने का मन तो करता है, but the people who are health conscious, who are diet conscious, they might want to opt for a healthy snack option. That is where your gift comes in handy. So you can go for a healthy snack option under a budget. Number 10th is my favorite, and that is books. Now, if your sibling is a book lover, you should give them a book or a set of books. Without a doubt. Now, I specifically did not mention any book क्योंकि book के अपने categories होते हैं, अपना taste होता है. So, if you know someone and you know their taste, then you better gift them according to their taste. और अगर आपको उनका taste नहीं पता, then you can go to the book homepage of Amazon that I have mentioned in the description. वहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं जो all time classic या all time favorite books हैं, आप वो gift कर सकते हैं. Even if your sibling is not into reading and you want them to start reading like I recently did, then again it's a good option. Next is again my favorite, that is a personalized gift option. Again from a brand that I have been working it and I love them, and that is Everyday Desire Store. By the way, ये video is not a sponsored video by them. It's just I love their brand. I have been preaching about their brand. They recently launched their website. I will link it down in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. इनके पास ढेर सारे customized gift options है. You need to go there and see for yourself. But for your convenience, I have linked some of my favorite and very much Raksha Bandhan vibes वाले gift options down in the description box below. So सबसे पहले है personalized sis frame. इसमें sis लिखा हुआ आता है, and under those alphabets SIS, you actually can put pictures of your sister or the pictures of you two together. अब कॉफी चाय तो हर कोई पीता है, then go and gift your brother or sister a very personalized mug. You can opt for pictures, you can opt for quotes. Personalized mug is definitely a good option. Number 13 is home decor. नाउ होम डेकोर के अंदर भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शन आ जाते हैं, कुछ अफोर्डेबल, कुछ नॉट अफोर्डेबल, सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो इनटू दैट कैटेगरी. स्टडी लैम्प, आपकी सिबलिंग आर अ स्टूडेंट और दे लाइक टू रीड बुक्स, देन दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ really helpful gift option. Second last is my favorite and that is watches. और ऐसा नहीं है कि 500 के अंदर you cannot really get really good options for watches. I have mentioned down some watches from Sonata, Timex, so do check it out. इसके अलावा भी कुछ जिनके रिव्यूज बहुत अच्छे थे और देखने में भी काफी gorgeous and classic थे. I have linked it down in the description box below for brothers, for sisters, everything. Last but not the least is e-gift card. E-gift card क्या होता है? It's like a gift card but you send it through the internet. So अगर आप इंटरनेट पे जाके सर्च करोगे gift card India, and again if you go to that shopping tab, you can actually find a lot of gift cards under 500 from Pantaloons to Amazon to Flipkart and various other websites. Now if you know your siblings the most favorite website to shop from, definitely opt for that. Otherwise just select one randomly that you think they might end up buying from. The best part about sending an e-gift card is that they can buy whatever they like of their own choice, and ऐसा भी नहीं होगा कि they might not end up using what you have gifted. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. And if you don't know much about your sibling or whoever you're gifting this to, then this is the best option for you. That is the end of my gift ka pitaraha. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found at least one good gift idea. If you haven't, then don't forget to check out the playlist that I have already talked about, and you'll see at the end of this video in the end screen, so don't skip the outro. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below anything and everything you want. If you have any better idea, don't forget to mention it below. I will pin it for everyone else to watch it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, and share this video with anyone and everyone you think would be helpful. With that has been said, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.